Welcome to Salsa Ventura episode number 7. Welcome so much, guys, and I'm here to talk today about changing partners in classes or even dancing with different kind of partners at a party. Now, why is it so important? Because you might wonder, should I change partners while I'm taking classes? And my advice is definitely yes. I'm going to tell you a little personal story. I still feel quite silly if I share it with people, but it's totally true. What happened is many years ago when I was taking classes myself, I started dancing with my sister, and that's Anne-Marie. And we were taking classes every week, but we didn't want to change partners. And why not? Yeah, first of all, now looking back, I think it was a little bit of arrogance also, because at that time we thought we were quite good, but there was also another aspect into it, and that was that we really liked dancing together, so we were able to remember it when we were home. And then one day I remember she couldn't make it to the class, and I decided to go by myself, which was quite a big step because I was always used dancing with her. And I came to the class, and most ladies were looking at me like, yeah, now you want to change partners, because normally we wouldn't change. So when the teacher would go like, okay guys, change partners, and that teacher would just make you change however you want it, we always stay together. And now I've been teaching for many years, and now I always tell this story just to motivate people to change, and I also tell them why. Now what happened in that class is when I finally started changing partners, most ladies did not know what I was trying to do. I was giving them signals and they didn't get it. I was giving them a specific way of turning and they didn't get it. I was trying to do certain moves and they didn't get it. And in about 10 minutes, I felt so frustrated. Now, the first impulse that I had is, I will never get back to this class without my sister. That was the first impulse. But then I started thinking, of course, like, well, maybe there is a purpose to this. And what we decided to do is we started to change partners, and very, very quickly our dancing level started to improve. And it's very simple, because every follower and every leader, every man, every woman is different, and we all need different kinds of. We all have different kind of energies, and we have different kind of tension or relaxations or flexibility. And with one person you can just do this and the lady will start doing a double spin, and with the other lady you will have to give more guidance. Now, so first of all, yes, please change partners every now and then, or even often. The more often you change partners, the better you will become in leading as a man, but also in following as a lady. Or I know there are some guys that also love to follow. So as a leader following, it will improve your skills. And then besides that, what I also noticed is because we started changing partners, everything changed, because we started to get to know the people in the class. We started to see those people when we were at a party, and we started to interconnect with people more, which actually led to the fact that we built many friendships out of the salsa scene or the dancing scene in general. And that's a very special thing that a lot of people forget. So if you are with your partner and you don't want to change partners, please remember, first of all, it's much better for your dancing abilities and your tools and your skills. But second, you are missing out a lot, because interconnecting with other dancers is one of the best benefits that you can get in this scene. Now, why is that? Within the dance scene, people do not drink a lot of alcohol, because when we dance fanatically, I know there are some dancers that make it very crazy and they drink a lot. But in general, most people don't drink so much because they are there to dance. So a lot of them, they are very aware of their health. So they know that much drinking is not good for you. But also they don't need to drink because they get a lot of highs from dancing. Besides, if you want to do a lot of turns and alcohol gets you, then it's going to be very hard to do those turns. And that also leads to the fact that a lot of people are, just being nice and just being in a very good spot for them. And that also means that adds a lot to the community in salsa dancing. And I always said, like, the dancing, if you take bachata or salsa, or also tango for the matter, or zouk, or kizomba, most of those scenes are very nice to just be in. you know. And I know that a lot of times it seems superficial, all those short conversations, but whenever you start talking to people, you will feel that you are very connected, and it's probably the dance that connects us the most. So guys, all together, please do change partners regularly. It will benefit you a lot. And if you have any suggestions, guys, please place them below. If you want dancing videos, please check out salsaventura.tv, and see you in the next episode.